Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog here. It's your boy, Super Epic Adrian, and in today's vlog, I'm just gonna be vacuuming my grandpa's house. Well, just his room and probably my niece's room, which is not that fancy, where it kind of looks pretty much 95 age, well, 90s age, because that's my niece around that age is about 90 something, like 95. So, anyways, let's just get right onto the vlog here. And you might not enjoy this, but please watch this video. If you're watching right now, please watch this video because I am trying to make my best to post vlogs for you guys. You hear that? You hear that? I'll post vlogs, well, 2 vlogs a week. So let's just get right into the video and I will see you in the next scene. Alright guys, so this is my grandpa's room that I just vacuumed. Yeah, this is my grandpa's room. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and post notifications or something for the next premiere, or set your reminders for the next premiere for when it happens. So yeah guys, look at this. I mean, this is my grandpa's room. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.